Find My Car. With Find My Car feature, you will always know exactly where to find your Toyota, whether parked in crowded parking lot or a new city. Scroll down and tap on Find My Car tile in the dashboard. To see your current location, tap the arrow icon in the lower right corner of the map. Use the navigation to reach your car. Alternatively, you can find your car by the hazard light option, which is in the lower left corner of the iConnect app. Press and hold hazard light icon for 1 second. The parking lights will blink for 30 seconds in your car, which will help you to locate your vehicle.
Mayank Toyota.